container, they have a metal roof and they have a leak. And I want to show you how to fix. I need to first find the leak and then I show you how to fix it. Like everybody they can see it, they tried to repair before this container, this metal roof. So it's a lot of guess silicone or I had to make sure this clean. Explain, I really clean the area I want to fix. I really clean. I'm gonna clean the much I can the glue or the silicone or the tar or whatever it is. I use the this is splash wash or like a container, and then try to clean the best you can. Another thing you can use is a grinder. Right now I don't have it with me, but it's a faster and do a better job, okay? I don't have it with me, but I put my, I want to use Super Silicone Seal. See how they work. Oh, this is too big. Oh, maybe work? Yeah, it's gonna work. Oh, I have a small one here. So, I start to seal and I think I'm learning how to do it faster because somebody teach me, hey, don't be like girl, do it like that. Don't be scared. So I'm learning. You know, if you put thicker in the beginning, you don't have to go back so many times. Do it, we think we cannot do it, and always call somebody to do it, and they charge a lot of money. If you have the money, that's fine, but if you know, you spending yourself something better. See? I'm finished. You always come back if you feel. And then another piece here. See, I can use this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Area can need to work again. I already cut my my fleece already, so take a little bit more. And then I have a little piece get already cut before, and this I go put it right here. This here. That's it.
No, that's piece or you want to cut it?
Yeah, I want to cut it.
Yeah.
I want to cut this piece. I pass a little bit, so I cut it, or you can put more material. Either way work.
Okay.
Okay. The best tip I can say is preparation, and after that is easy, super easy. Okay, I'm finished. You see how easy it is. The hardest part for me is preparation. Okay, so I hope you like it. And give me, if you like it, give me thumb ups. Give me tips to improve myself. And we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye. This is the easiest part. It's not like that. This is really, really easy. Easy, easy, easy. It's not hard. I love it.